Tesla Cybertruck at Petersen Automotive Museum. The Tesla Cybertruck prototype is currently presented in the lobby of the Petersen Automotive Museum in Los Angeles, and we were lucky enough to get a hold of a ticket to attend the museum on Father's Day and film some close-up footage. Also, if you guys like the automotive content we have been uploading for the past 5 years, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving likes on our videos. We appreciate all the support. Going back to the Tesla Cybertruck, the Cybertruck is an all-electric battery-powered light commercial vehicle launched by Elon Musk's Tesla company. 3 models have been announced, with EPA range estimates of 250 to 500 miles and an estimated 0 to 60 mile per hour time of 2.9 seconds to 6.5 seconds, depending on the model. The base price of the rear-wheel drive model of the vehicle will be $39,900, with all-wheel drive models starting at $49,900. Dual-motor all-wheel drive and tri-motor all-wheel drive Cybertruck production is slated to begin in 2021, with a rear-wheel drive model being added in 2022.
Nice. Look at that height of that right there. See that? You got the camera right there. See? Right there. So tiny.
I'm gonna be around 5 times. I'm gonna keep going in the loop. And then finish. Yeah, watch it closer.
Oh, that's cool.
Do they let the people who work there get into the car? Have you had a chance? No?
People say you got such a great job. Can't touch them, can't get in. There's 7 people who work there.
We're gonna let them in on 2 parties at a time.
Oh, that's a monster. Considering some of the cars are
Have a good one, man.
enjoy.
It looks so bad when you see it right on.